Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you where I would be opening trades and what I think is going to happen. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. I'm going to show trades and what I think is going to happen in the market. We're going straight into Bitcoin. I want to do a quick video right now. Bitcoin sitting between the channel at the upper end of the channel now, which is interesting. This channel 28,500, 30,600. It's been channeling, but now we're sitting towards the upside of it, and we're building pressure within a symmetrical triangle that should be breaking by around 12th of June. My target is 35,000. I did have some trade trying to open here. I'm down at 28,500, but it doesn't look like Bitcoin is coming down there, which is interesting. I still think we could get a quick dump, so I'm going to set a trade. I'm going to move up the trade for Bitcoin, and the target will be the upper end of this ascending triangle. The upper end of this symmetrical triangle. So it builds pressure and then has a big explosion to the base of that triangle, this distance here. So I'm expecting that Bitcoin will come to the upper end of this channel, which will be 35,000, around here, 35,000. So this is where I'm going to open the trade now. I'm going to set this trade for Bitcoin at the weekly support. So there, actually no, at the bottom of this here. So I'm going to open the trade. I'm going to move the trade opening price to 29,500. The stop loss will be at 28,500, and the take profit will be 35,000, which gives me a nice risk to reward, 5.42, risking $1,000 to make $5,400. So every $1,000 I risk, my goal is to make $5,491. If I use 10x leverage, that's $54,000. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description and pinned comment, sign up to ByBit, and you get a $4,600 bonus when you sign up to ByBit and start trading. NordVPN if you have any country restrictions. And if you sign up to ByBit and you join my trading team, the links are in the description and pinned comment, you go in the chance, there's an $8 million competition for ByBit, so make sure you join it. There's an $8 million prize pool for the world's, you join my trading team. So over on ByBit, I've got 187,000 in here. I've got this Bitcoin trades set at 28,500, but I'm going to move up the order price to trigger earlier. So it's going to trigger at that support 29,500, because I do think Bitcoin here could be breaking to the upside of this symmetrical triangle. But we did have a few pullbacks to this support. So 29,200 the trade will open. So I'm going to open it now at 29,200. So it's opening earlier. And I'm going to make the order quantity 0.3 Bitcoin. So it'll be around with 5x leverage. How much is that? With 5x leverage, 29,200 with 5x leverage, that will be around 5x leverage. Hold on, let's do an order cost. So if I want to open 0.3 Bitcoin with 5x leverage, 0.3 at 29,200, it'll be a 29,200. It'll be an $8,700 trade. Do I want to make a big trade? No, I'm going to set it a bit differently. So I'm going to I'll do a $1,000 5x leverage trade. So order cost, actually let's do $1,000 at 29,200. So that's a 5x leverage trade. So that'll be a $5,000 trade at 29,200. Open long, confirm. So that order is set now. And I'm going to set the take profit and the stop loss for this trade. So the take profit of this trade will be at 35,000, and the stop loss will be at 28,200. So 35,000, 28,500. So I'm risking $119 to make $986. Confirm. That trade is now set. Now let's look at Ethereum and see what's going to be happening for Ethereum. And if you want to request any cryptos, let me know in the description and the pinned comment. So now we're going to look at Ethereum. Ethereum bounced off that strong support at 1,700. On the weekly, Ethereum is very oversold on the stochastic, which is very nice to see actually on the squeeze mob. On the stochastic. On the RSI, very also oversold on the weekly. On the squeeze mob, it's still going to the red side, so it could have more of a pullback, but it's really holding well here at this 1,700. On the daily, oversold turning up. RSI is also oversold turning up. Squeeze mob is also going to the green side, so Ethereum could have a little bit of a run here. We're sitting right underneath, on top of the weekly support. We're below the EMA ribbons. The crypto guru bot still showing a sell. The Bitcoin indicator bot still showing a sell also for Ethereum. So where would I open the trade for Ethereum? Let's see if we see any patterns. The main area of support for Ethereum is actually here on the main area of support would be actually right here at 1,700, but we've had multiple attempts to break it. Look at that, many attempts to break it. We had it back here in April of 2021. It came down after and bounced off 1,700, bounced off 1,700, bounced off 1,700, went for a massive run all the way to 4,000, came down, bounced 2,000, then 1,700. So multiple bounces, especially the last few days. Look at that. And it does most likely, it looks like it's trying to turn up, but that many times attempting it, I wonder if it can really bounce off here. On the 4 hourly, it's also heading up. On the 4 hourly, the pattern looks, let's see, there seems to be a pattern playing out here. Let's see what I can see. We've got a kind of symmetrical triangle playing here on Ethereum as well. Everyone seeing this? We've got it here as well. You learn technical analysis in the crypto course. You can join my 6,000 students. So we've got a kind of descending wedge, a descending triangle actually, which is a bullish pattern. This is a descending triangle, and that's bullish. It breaks to the base of the pattern, so the base of the triangle. So Ethereum could really be going for a run here. The target of this breakout would be this resistance up here, so 2,100 for Ethereum. So I might actually set a small trade here with a very tight stop loss below that support that it's multiple times held on the 1,708. So I'm going to open a long with the target of 2,158. So I'm going to open a long on Ethereum, 2,000. I'm going to do $1,000 long at 2,100, 2,158. $1,000 long. It's gonna, no wait, the target will be 2,158. So I'm going to open a long right now with the take profit at 2,158, and the stop loss will be at 17. The stop loss will be below here at 1688. 1688. So I'm risking $340 to make $951. Really nice risk to reward. Confirm. So I'm going to open a trade right. Will it pull back? Let's go into the shorter time frame for Ethereum. I'm going to upload this video quickly so you can see. On the hourly, we're also building pressure here for a big movement. Stochastic heading up, RSI heading up, squeeze mob going to the red but finishing. On the 4 hourly, RSI is oversold heading up. Stochastic, it looks good. I'm going to open this trade right now on Ethereum. So 1,813. So I'm opening now a $1,000 trade. Take profit at 2,158. Done. That trade is now open for Ethereum. So I've got this Ethereum trade open already. It's around that trade is now set. It's a $1,000 trade, so $5,000 total trade. And I've got this Bitcoin trade that's ready to go. So that's Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let's look at also Solana. You can trade all of these on ByBit. Solana also I'm liking down here. Solana at $39. Wow, Solana had a big pump up, 5% today. Solana on the 4 hourly also looking good. It's holding on this support really strongly down at the $37 mark. Stochastic oversold heading up. RSI heading up. Squeeze mob going to the green. So Solana is looking really nice also. You get these indicators in the crypto master course. And it's also making a descending triangle pattern. Look at this on Solana. We've got a kind of descending triangle pattern here. And the target will be, if it breaks above, for Solana, you need to wait. I'm not going to open this trade because I don't really trade. Maybe I would actually. The target would actually be the top of this $58 mark. But to get a confirmation, it needs to break above, break out above $44, bounce with volume, and then the target will be $58. You can also trade Solana once it confirms. So I'm going to set an alert. Once it confirms, I'll open this trade. So I'm going to add an alert for Solana at $42. When it confirms that breakout with a bounce, then I'm going to open the trade. $58 will be the target. So those are my trades. Again, all that trading you do on ByBit, the link is down below in the description and pin comment. You get that $4,600 bonus when you sign up to ByBit and start trading. And you join my WSOT trading competition team where you can make $8 million. We've got to become the best trading team. Thank you for watching, everyone. Those are my trades. That's what I think is happening in the market. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.